Okay, so now last task for us is session fixation that we have already talked about in our introduction video. Now we have a good example of inside it in our web application. To navigate to it, make sure you go to session management flaws, and under here you want to click on session fixation, and here is our challenge. So let's see what we have got. Stage 1, you are hacker Joe and you want to steal the session from Jane. Send a prepared mail to the victim which looks like an official email from the bank. Template message is prepared below. You will need to add a session ID in the link inside the email and alter the link include SID. You are hacker Joe, mail to this person, that is Jane Plain, and mail from admin webgot financial, and it is acting as a banking email. So okay, we have already talked briefly about session fixation. It's simply as pretending a session ID for someone, then that someone could expand our link with a predetermined session ID. They log in into their account, we can access the account because we do know their session ID, and this is an example how we can do it. Let's see what we need to do. So here is an email. In this email we have this sentence right here: please use the following link to verify your account data, and here we have the link as well, which is a statement href equals this link. And the first thing I have noticed here that this webgot is written incorrectly. We have to capitalize this W and this G of webgot as written in this URL. And now what we have to alter is, as you can see here, we have to copy this symbol and let's paste it right here. Write SID equals 555 and you have to send a mail to Jane. Now stage 1 is completed. Stage 2 says now you are the victim Jane who received the email below. If you point on the link with your mouse, you will see that there is a SID included. Click on the link to see what happens. You are victim Jane. You completed stage 1. Mail from this person: dear Miss Plain, during the last week we had a few problems with our database. We have received your complaints regarding incorrect account details. Once we click on that link, we have completed stage 2 and now we are on the stage 3. The bank has asked you to verify your data. Log in to see if your details are correct. Your username is Jane and your password is Tarzan. Since we know what our username and password is, so let's type it right here, and once we hit login, don't save the password, and here you can see stage 4. It is time to steal the session. Now use the following link to reach Goat Hill Financial. You are hacker Joe. So since we have completed stage 3, let's go to stage 4, and once we click on this, we got the same login screen. But now since a hacker, as we are acting as a hacker, we don't know the password and username of this account. What we can do is we can use that session ID we have used before, and as you can see in the link, it says SID is not a valid session ID. So let's go to the Bubsy, turn on the intercept, refresh this page, and you can see here the SID is no valid session. So let's manipulate this and enter the session ID we have altered. So if we forward this request and go to this account, and as we can see, we have successfully logged in to Jane Plain's account. We can see credit card type, we can see credit card number, and this is how, and we have successfully logged in into this account. And that is the end of this challenge. As it says, congratulations, you have completed this lesson. Okay, so now we have covered some basic attacks over broken authentication. Now in the next section we are going to continue brute force attack. So meet you in the next section.